Hey guys, I hope everything's going well. Today we're going to be straight piping my dad's lawnmower. My thinking is, guys, is that we want to keep the lawnmower looking as stock as possible. So what we're going to aim to do is we're going to have to recreate this in as much detail and as much accuracy as possible. Not that long ago, I picked up this muffler with a batch of free lawnmowers. So my thinking is that we clean this up nice and shiny, and we grab this 22mm bit of steel, and we just put it right through the middle there. As you can see, the top muffler is severely rusted. In fact, so rusted that the pipe which would have gone into the exhaust port has completely ripped off. Working with this muffler would prove to be incredibly difficult, as there was no real metal thickness to weld to. What you guys can see me doing now is welding in the pipe, although the metal around the pipe was incredibly thin, so it was pretty difficult, and it also left me with some horrible welds. I somehow overlooked that there was a baffle in between the new straight pipe and the old outlet of the exhaust, so we had to cut around it to try and take it out, although this didn't really go well, as you can see. So guys, we're up a tree. Hopefully I don't fall, because I mean it doesn't really put it in perspective, but it is a decently far fall down there. Let's see, I don't even know if I have enough paint in here. Oh no, oh dear. And just to clarify to all you spray painters out there, I'm not a professional spray painter, and on top of that, there is no gas in that canister whatsoever. Oh guys, it's a lovely day today. Oh, what's that? That's a weird shaped apple. Oh, that can't be anything. Oh, and below it, there's silver grass. That must be quite rare. I don't know how that got there. I'm sure no one will bat an eye when they find that. Nah, it'll be fine. Alright, now we just gotta go wait, what, 3 hours? It'll be fine. So guys, we just got the exhaust back from the tree. We've got to be a bit quiet because my dad is outside. And we have to try and get this off and get the new one on without him noticing, okay? Alright guys, it's time for a test fire. So I'm not sure how I overlooked this, but the new exhaust is slightly thinner than the old exhaust. And all that was left to do now was to show my dad. But unfortunately, he didn't really have the greatest reaction. And I'm not sure why, but I guess you're not really pleased when you see that your son has straight piped your lawnmower. I can't think why. I bet he's really proud of me. Do you want to know what I did, Dad?
Yeah, I want to know what you've done.
I straight piped your lawnmower. So guys, as you can see, Dad wasn't too impressed. And Dad, if you ever do end up watching this video, I just want you to know that actually the lawnmower runs better now, and I will fix that fuel leak eventually, and I have put back the stock muffler on your lawnmower. So I hope you're happy with that. I am very sorry. So let's just carry on with the video. And all that time I was showing Dad the straight pipe lawnmower, the grass was just growing longer and longer, so it was about time to start cutting it. before you guys call me the most useless person in the world, I actually found out that the lawnmower seemed to run better after this. My theory is that the straight pipe actually allowed some of the soot build-up off the valve to be cleaned off. So aside from anything else, the lawnmower starts first pull now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you ever want to try this at home, I would probably recommend it, as long as your dad doesn't mind you messing around a little bit. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and see ya! Oh my god.